get that toy.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. This is Spider-Man.
Very nice.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Okay.
Spider.
Hey beautiful people, it's Ashley here from Elemental Growth with my son Finn. You guys were asking me for some tips on how to homeschool from home, how to work from home, all these things. So here are my best tips from, I'm doing this with he's not 4 years old yet, but I still teach him like as if he's older. That's how we do our school, and he is quite smart for his age, so it's not like anything above what he's capable of doing. A lot of what I do teach my son in our own curriculum is a lot of unschooling things to do with nature, things to do with cooking, things to do with nutrition. I include him in all the things that I'm learning when it comes to technology and business and with nutrition and health and running an apothecary and doing energy work. He learns Reiki and things like that too. It's something that we practice every day. Yoga, another thing. It's my everyday life is what I teach my son. We do have some books that we go through. We do read. We do art. We do dance and music and all these kind of things. So really, when it comes to schooling, homeschooling, unschooling, you have a lot of options. Like, the biggest thing that you need to know, and what's really empowered me, is this belief so deep inside of me that just said that I am Finn's mom for a reason. There's a reason why I was gifted him and why he was gifted me. It's because we have to learn from each other, and we're just the guide for our children. Our children are their own individual people with their own individual missions in life, but there's a reason why we became connected, and that is what our whole homeschooling, unschooling is just me teaching him everything that I can so that he can take what it is that works for him and could help him in his own mission, which he's not even 4 yet, so he doesn't know what that is yet, or maybe he does, I don't know, who am I to judge? But he can take what it is that he needs and bring that into his life and into his everydays. Like the things that he really enjoys are, he loves superheroes, that's one. He also loves cooking and being in the kitchen. He loves dancing, and he loves eating the rainbow, like our food charts and things like that, which you guys can actually access if you're in my 28-day challenge. I do have those printout and coloring things and resources for parents and resources for kids. They're in there. It's not a lot of them, but they are available to you guys all free of charge. You just have to RSVP to the group and get the passwords. So he loves all that kind of stuff. And Reiki he practices every day, which is like energy healing work. So a lot of the things that I do in my regular lifestyle, he loves and has adapted to very well. And that's really the basis of our homeschooling, unschooling. When it comes to actually working from home while you have your kids at home with you, this gets a little bit tougher. So I did make another video where I broke down the day into 4 equal sections and was able to guide you through how it is that I structure my day. So if you guys want to access that, definitely do so. It is available to you as well. But what I want to bring to you guys today is a couple other tips that really help me with Finn. The first one is setting timers. I set timers for our meals. I set timers for TV. Set timers for everything that we do. Timers for how long it is that I'm working for. When Finn hears those timers go off, he knows that we're moving into the next stage or there's going to be a change of some sort, and that works really, really well for us. Just setting a Google timer or setting a stove timer, setting a timer on your phone, whatever it may be, that is a really, really big tip. Another one is to utilize the support that you have. If you are a single mom and you're in your house alone with your kid, that support may actually, I hate to say it, may be technology, the TV or the computer, whatever it is, the tablet. Just make sure that it's something that not only will keep them occupied, but that teaches them some sort of a skill as well that aligns with your values. if you're locked in your house right now for this social distancing thing, and you have other people in your home, utilize them. I live with my stepdad, so he helps me with Finn every single morning so I can do the work that I need to do. And then I move into my homeschooling with Finn, and then we move into like our quality family time where there is no restrictions on what we do. It's just life and enjoying it and doing some cleanup and doing some shutdown of some other things. So yeah, those are like, I guess, some of my bigger tips. If you want some more, you have specific questions, you want to access these resources, anything like that, I'm still doing this Ashley Answers series. So get those to me, ashley@elementalgrowth.org, or whatever platform you're watching this on. Send me a little message. I'll make myself as available as possible to you guys. And I'm sending you much love and positivity on your elemental growth journey.